Are you ready to launch your own online store and start selling with WordPress? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a beautiful, fully functional e-commerce site with WooCommerce, from designing the perfect look to adding your first products and going live with confidence. Let's dive right in and turn your big idea into an online shop that's ready for customers. Design is the very first thing your visitors will notice, and it's more than just good looks. It's about building trust and guiding people to buy. So from your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Appearance menu and click on Themes. This is where you'll choose your store's overall look and feel. To narrow it down, use the feature filter and select eCommerce. This ensures every theme you see is built to play nicely with WooCommerce. Now there are some standout choices here. Themes like Astra, OceanWP, and Storefront are popular for a reason. They blend style, speed, and flexibility, plus you'll find lots of support and tutorials for them. Take your time exploring previews. Think of this as picking the storefront window for your business. Once you've selected a theme, it's time to make it your own. Open up the theme editor and play with colors, fonts, and layout options. For example, tweak the colors to match your logo, adjust headings for a bit of flair, or move sections around until everything feels just right. Don't worry if it takes some experimenting. This is all about showcasing your brand and making your customers feel welcome. Next, let's configure the essential features that turn your website into a true online store. Start with payments. Within WooCommerce's settings, you'll find options for major credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and more. Sometimes you'll need to install a quick extension or two, no big deal. Just think, however your customers like to pay, you can make it easy for them. Now let's talk shipping and taxes. Do you want to offer a flat rate shipping cost, free shipping to sweeten the deal, or maybe use real-time carrier rates? Set this up based on where you ship and what fits your business. Taxes can look intimidating, but WooCommerce walks you through it. You can set rates by country, state, or even product type, helping you stay legal and organized. One thing not to skip: making essential pages. Add a welcoming homepage and about us so people know who's behind the business, a contact us for questions, and clear policy pages for shipping, returns, and privacy. These pages aren't just formalities, they build real trust and answer common customer questions before they even ask. Now for the fun part: adding your products. Go to the Products menu and select Add New. Fill in your product name, a clear and inviting description, price, and upload a few great photos. Try to include both clean images and ones that show your product in real-life situations. The more visual detail, the more confidence your shoppers will have. Next, define the product type. Maybe it's a simple t-shirt, or maybe you offer different sizes or bundles. Enter specific details like SKUs, set stock quantities, and choose relevant categories to keep things organized. Remember, every detail you add here helps your store look professional and helps shoppers find exactly what they need. Let's take it one step further and truly power up your store. WordPress plugins are like little helpers that add new features in minutes. Consider installing a few essentials. Monster Insights for SEO analytics, Opt-in Monster for growing your email list with pop-ups, Weglot if you want to translate your store, and WP Fastest Cache to keep things running smoothly. The right plugins can give you a big head start as you market your site. Speaking of marketing, now's the time to let people know you're open for business. Share your store on social media, work on SEO to show up in search results, and start gathering emails so you can announce sales or new arrivals. Finally, after you've double-checked everything and tested your checkout, it's launch time. Make your site public and celebrate. You're officially a store owner. Remember, this is just the beginning. Listen to customer feedback, keep tweaking things, and don't hesitate to try new plugins or tactics to improve the shopping experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you're building or if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and tips, and good luck launching your online store.